In this video, we are going to see how we can convert all of these URLs and make them clickable so that it shows a friendly name. But when we click on it, it will operate it in a same way like the URL does. So what we can do is we can use the hyperlink formula equals to hyperlink. Link location is this and friendly name is right besides it. Hit enter. So not only now this is clickable, but this is a friendly name as well. Just double click to send it down and now it can do it for all of them. After that, you can either format it manually or what you can do is just change the format for the first one like we have seen earlier. We will just right click, modify this, format it in a certain way. Like let's say I want it to be simple in the black color and underline should be none. Click OK, and now it shows like this. Since it is a followed link, that's why it's showing like this. But if we double click to send it down, rest all of them will be shown properly. So when we click on any of them, it will change color. Otherwise, it's a simple black formatting. And that's exactly how we can save a lot of time instead of converting all of this URL to the friendly names. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.